A modern, integrated support experience to keep you focused on your business tasks. This is Built-in Support, your easy access to product support and knowledge at SAP. Built-in Support provides an integrated platform that gives you a consistent support experience across all products. It embeds support directly into your application, providing access to support content, tools, and channels with no implementation effort required. Just click the support icon at the top of your screen for help. You can also view recommended links and track open issues. Built-in Support uses natural language processing, AI, and machine learning technologies to provide relevant answers, personalized recommendations, and direct access to support experts. Intelligent Search knows where you are, so you don't have to explain your situation. Intelligent Matching accesses support content and your active incidents to find relevant solutions. And if you need more guidance, Built-in Support offers up alternative channels so you can get the answers you need. Creating an incident is easy. Simply click the Report an Issue button at the bottom right and type your concern. As you go, you can update incidents and attach additional documentation as needed. Everything is at your fingertips. And when you're done, just click Create Incident. Built-in Support also offers a live support channel through the Expert Chat service. Now you can quickly collaborate with an SAP expert in real time, sharing knowledge and information to address your questions without leaving the application. Built-in Support. It's an intelligent digital assistant that guides you through common support tasks. Start using it today. Built-in Support is currently available with a limited number of products and will be available for more SAP solutions over time. For more information, visit SAP Support Portal.